brand new equity peaks in our stock index portfolio 18. We post the live results every day, and we went through a drawdown period. We did not trade the first 2 days of this month, and so we paused our trading at the beginning of this month. We were already paused, and we were waiting for a drawdown to start, and we started live trading for this portfolio on January the 5th. And you can see that this portfolio on the first 2 days of the year went through a drawdown of about 14,300. We traded only one strategy, EVP1. It was down about 700. And then we went live, and in real trading, we were up about 16K on the month. This had a $17,260 run up. And so we were already down 700 from trading EVP1, down about 750. So we're up 16K on the month as of the close yesterday on January the 25th. It is an 18 strategy portfolio, trades 18 trading systems, 11 NASDAQ strategies, and 7 S&P strategies all at the same time for diversity. Some of these strategies are trend, some of them are counter trend, some of them are at equity peaks, and some of them are in drawdowns. And that is the diversity that we look for when we trade. So you can see the list of trading systems here in the S&P and the NASDAQ that we are trading, constantly developing and working on better ways to trade as we see the market changing and morphing, and we are always updating the strategy. But this is what we have for the latest update for our stock index portfolio. You can also see this in Multicharts. So we ran the portfolio trader back test from January 1st, 2021 through today, or through yesterday's close. This is yesterday's close that I ran this, and you can see the results: plus 918, 970, 250, and then the close trade drawdown and max drawdown. We've talked about how close trade drawdowns are larger than end of day drawdowns. So our end of day drawdown we show on our portfolio calculator is 22.5K, and close trade drawdowns are based on intraday. So for example, say you're at an equity peak and you're up 10K on the day, and then you start closing trades out here and you're up 10K at the peak on the day after an equity peak. You're already at an equity peak, and then you lose 8K. So you're down 8K and all your trades are closed out, and you're up 2K on the day. So you're at a new end of day equity peak by 2K, but your closed trade drawdowns, if you started closing trades up here, is about 8K. There's also open trade drawdown. So if your open trades were even higher, your open trade drawdown would be even higher. So maybe your open trade drawdown was maybe 14K, and you gave it all the way back down to up 2K on the day. So your open trade drawdown was 12K, maybe your closed trade drawdown is 8K, while you're at an end of day equity peak. So that is the difference between open trade, closed trade, and end of day drawdowns. And so the closed trade drawdown is 12K higher than an end of day drawdown because there can be some big intraday moves and then reversals in the equity. And so let's look at the performance summary in Multicharts from the drawdown curve perspective. So this is the drawdown curve and equity curve. You can see the green dot signaling a brand new equity peak. There have been time periods like this one where it goes through long periods between equity peaks, and then it goes through a cycle where it hits equity peaks. And so those kind of go back and forth. The drawdown curve is wide, and then it's narrow, and then it's wide, then it's narrow, it's wide, then it's narrow. So we're looking for a run here. This is only the last 2 years, since January 2021. This is the Multicharts Stock Index Portfolio 18 results. This is the Excel. We export this data from TradeStation. So I wanted to share with you the latest Stock Index Portfolio end of day equity peaks. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.